valid ID, then QR code. Kung walang ID, card picture na lang po.
Thank you. Ikaw naman. Naiwan ang gimbal. Si Jay kasi. Okay na. Okay na, magrararamen pa ako.
Right now you see there's a lot of soap.
And then pwede
It
siya
will
for
rinse
mga large
the
ano.
water. It will also
Pero
dry the
hindi
timber.
Unox brand,
And at
ibang
the
brand.
end,
Marami
we will
kasing
go on
brand
a
yan.
full sweet home. So it's not going to utilize
So,
any
pagka
excess,
pwede ka magluto ng sabay-sabay.
It
Na
will
iba-ibang putahe.
just maintain.
Panalo sa lasa Chef Allen, matatin na totoo Kusina ni Bebo, simple pero malaman Chef So, kamusta po sir na?
Jay, ang sarap nito, no?
Yummy, ang sarap!
Super yummy!
Thank you so much po. Ayan, kamusta naman? Wow! And that's thanks to our, no other than products of Likam E. Especially this one po. So lalo po niya i-enhance ang amoy po ng ating dish. Since 1888, they've been inspiring chefs and home cooks alike, transforming simple dishes into culinary mastery.
O ano rin? You're welcome, Quezon City.
Yay!
Nagmamadali sa umaga, kung gusto po natin pag-almusal, diba mag-iinit lang tayo ng kanin, tapos gabaris, tapos na po, parang magic.
Pwede siya pang tapos sa pwede natin.
Yan po yung puto cake natin, na galing sa juice.
In 1, 2, 3, and paunahan. And 1, 2, 3, go!
Gumagawa ka lang din ng ordinary cookie. But this one, quality-wise, tested na siya, hindi na siya magpapago, no? So, yun na yung quality niya. So, yan, no? Medyo crumbly pa siya. Lagyan lang natin ulit. So, to make this one, divide this into, sabihin natin, half, kalahati, is gagawin natin rock roll, yung kalahati gawin natin nibblers, no?
Pag hindi natin
We bring you a complete line of pantry staples from sauces, noodles,
Right? The higher the skill, the sharper the knife will be eating. You can see the knives going through the fat.
Ayun ang naman yung hand. Ito naman.
Dapat sumasayaw ka. Maestro! Maestro! Gusto gusto ko mapakita sa kanila yung extra stretch, Chef Charo.
Yes, we will.
Oo, para maniwala sila na yung anchor, extra stretch.